Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and set up NPM Audit and Security Scanning, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download and set up NPM Audit and Security Scanning, begin by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your system. If Node.js is not installed, visit the official Node.js website. Download the installer for your operating system. Follow the installation prompts to complete the setup. Open your command line interface or terminal next. Type npmv to verify that npm is installed correctly. If you see the version number, you're ready to proceed. Navigate to your project directory using the cd command. Once you are in the project directory, run npm init to create a package.json file if one does not already exist. To perform a security audit, use the command npm audit. This command will check for vulnerabilities in your dependencies. The audit report will display a summary of vulnerabilities found. To view a detailed breakdown, you can run npm audit.json. If vulnerabilities are identified, you can often fix them automatically. To do this, run the command npm audit fix. If some issues remain after this, you may need to manually review them. You can find suggestions for manual fixes in the audit report. For additional security checks, consider installing third-party tools like npm audit CI. To install npm audit CI, run npm install g npm audit CI. Once installed, you can configure it for continuous integration workflows. Follow the documentation provided by npm audit CI for setup instructions. Regularly running npm audit will help maintain your project's security over time. Ensure to check the audit reports frequently, especially after adding new dependencies. That's all for setting up npm audit and security scanning. You are now equipped to secure your Node.js applications effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.